Hello. Welcome to my channel, Atanasoft Studio. Today we are going to look at AI packaging design. So we are using the Pacdora packaging design, which can be found on www.pacdora.com. So with Pacdora AI packaging design, all you have to do is to create a simple design by typing your concept. So let's say we want to do a mock-up of a paper bag. So paper bag as so that's the 3D of the paper bag. So let's generate another thing box. Shoebox. We are generating a shoebox using AI. That's it. That's the open. That's the close. So if you want watermark free, you pay to get access to this. So let's generate another thing again. Medicine. So this is what we got with the dimensions, everything. We can open it. So let's do for a chocolate wrapper.